after the MV extruders is EBF for the wafers. That means I also need to make the MV cutting machine and the laser engravers. Right. MV laser engraver. And actually, so since I have to wait for this process here for a while, the thing is, for these laser engravers I need to make the emitters and I need the flawless emeralds for that. So I need a small setup to do some ore washing and sifting for a bit of emeralds, and also I need this one I can make from, yeah, I need this from sapphire and emeralds as well, and this one's rubies. So that's why I'm gonna build a small temporary setup just for, how much amp is this pulling? Okay, then it can go here. Because I also need the distilled water, then it can go here actually. Has to be MV anyway, so let's break that. Ore washer can go here, sifter can go here. This is needing the tin rotors, which actually I did set up already. So quickly go back to the extruders. Get tin rotors with 4 tin ingots. Here. Bronze fluid pipes I should also set up. 4 goes to 1 in the extruder rotor. Make 4 of these. Right, it's here. And it has this, yeah. Okay. So let's make, oh, where's the steel? What's the steel being used for right now? Why it needs so much? It's making steel, right? It's making aluminum right now. How much? Way too much. Signalum as well. Don't need that right now. Time to upgrade these to MV, to HV basically, with 2 MP energy edges. Okay, I'm making steel now, and put that back in. They are making the rotors, perfect. The sifter needs, yeah, the zinc foil. So I am going to okay, these 2 are fine for now, but I will have to set up some zinc processing. Yes, yeah. What is this one here doing there? Just make some ingots for now. Okay, and these will be the 4 foils, zinc foils. In the bender. Okay, how much steel is now? Okay, they still, because I also set up this one here. But it already make the gears. Actually, let's stop this process here for a second. Because I want to have a stack of these. I don't need that much, but I'm just gonna run it through the process to have absolutely enough. I didn't need to make that hopper. It's okay. And wait, the hopper is actually fine for the input. The output here. Okay. No. Then oh, I need two, right? Okay. Actually, just put more, because I will need to make a lot more filters in the future. Right, it's also crafting the steel dust. What about the vanadium? It has not even been made. Why? What is the problem with that? I know that there is not enough steel dust, but there should have been enough to make at least one time the vanadium steel. Okay. They're making steel, that's good. This one is also done. Just waiting for a few steel plates to continue. Okay. It's gonna make the zinc foils first, that's fine. Redstone looks pretty good. I'm gonna deactivate that. What's this process doing here? Yeah, that is more than enough. 1000 silicon. How much silicon is actually being made here? 130, okay. Compared to this one, that's basically nothing. But, oh, I was actually running out of flint, seems like. And that is because I'm not really using sand. I'm gonna let that run for a while. I'm gonna request 10 stacks. Okay. It should be enough to make a bit more flint. Anyway, just like 10 flint is enough to make so much oxygen. Like this, these are still so much. Alright. Can we make... Yes, we can make more LV machines now. Then... Wait, did I just make 4 instead of... Alright. Then first the ore washer. Then make 1 more of these. And the sifter. And let these run. Let's get this distilled water in there. Let's get started with the sapphire. And actually emerald. Okay. Right. So not all of these products can go into the sifter. Only the purified. Okay, first just put everything out to this chest. Then put where's the wire? This one here can also be into here. And the hopper actually goes to this one. It's the emerald. And just let it run through. Okay. Let's continue here. So we got these, then rings, I think, are pretty important. Oh, what's happening? Finally the nickel run out, or what? Is it trying to make more? It put some magnetite again, why? Magnetite is supposed to just make magnetite. Nickel is... No, nickel is fine. What about copper? Copper's also fine. So the process is just slow then. Where's the... Here is supposed to be... The dust is in progress. That's, I think, a mixer recipe, right? Yeah. Same as this one. Same as this one. I have a bad feeling. I have a very bad feeling. No. No. That's actually the wrong one. Why is there just one real gun here? Yeah, this one. Oh no. So... Wait, is this... Is this an MB recipe? Yeah. Okay. Oh no 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 no, oh no no no. Oh damn it. That was a pretty big fail. This one has to immediately be stopped. Ring and bolt. Alright, I made it already. So ring and bolt I wanted to set up. Okay. That should fix the problems. Okay. Then I need to set up an MB mixer. So I will continue making machines, building machines over here. On this side, this area here, I want to keep empty for now to build the vacuum freezer. So I can automatically take items that are supposed to go to the vacuum freezer already into the vacuum freezer instead of returning them to the main storage. No. Water bucket? No, I don't. Okay. Yeah. I almost got a heart attack. That's why I didn't make the final upgrade for the effortless building mod. I knew this is gonna happen. When am I unlocking these anyway? What are the requirements? I have the amount of coins. Alright. Let's quickly check on the ore washer. Oh, actually I can stop the sapphire already. That is all I wanted. Start this one and put the ruby. Green sapphire, I think I don't even need. I need diamonds. I need the crushed diamond ore. Or the diamond lens. This one has to go into the lathe. And a few of the lenses are already prepared. Makes it easier starting the laser engraver. Okay, so here will be a few of the MV machines. That means... no, actually. The thing is that since there's no blocking mode, the mixers can fill up and don't craft the correct alloys. So I will build a similar setup like this one here, but over here for the mixers. So I will have like 3 MV mixers running, because stainless steel I think is also made with the circuit 1. Yeah, I could make it with this one, but it's fine if I have 3 circuit 1 mixers running. Then there should be no problem. So let's say here's the requester, repackager, and it goes to the conveyor belt, and right, it cannot go over this. And I can use this one as a return as well. So then this actually is pretty difficult to put here. Can I put one over here? Let's say that here. Yeah, that would be possible, but it looks pretty bad. It's better than wasting the space. Oh no, I have another idea. I've just built it on top. Yeah, I will just actually build another area on top. I could do the same here for the HV machines. Let's see. So... how... let's say I am going 3 up here. And I will build the new platform on this height. Is that gonna... yeah, that is going to look bad. But on this height, maybe it's fine. Let's see. If I just connect that here over, I should keep a distance 1 block from there. This looks pretty bad. The distance is fine. But I will put some of the andesite alloy. Oh. What is happening? Is the andesite empty? Andesite is empty. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to actually set up the 3rd barrel for the andesite. I have to do this setup here again to change this input to 3, I think it was. Which one was this one? 3? It was probably 1. Let's see. Yep. Let's get 4 stacks for now. Okay. Get more of the blackstone. And here. And here. And then this one is, I think, then until, yeah. I think this one is already correct. Perfect. Then close this. I'll probably put some light source under here. Ah, that's okay. Oh, wait. And this is closed. That's still okay. So much space, you know. And connect the new chain conveyors. Let's get the distance correct. Okay. Connect these up. So, okay. Actually, I will disconnect this one. And do something like that. Ah, come on. Come on. Then this one here can connect to this one. Also to this one. And over here. So then this way is the connection to the main storage. And these here will spread stuff around. But let's not make that a floating platform. Okay. This one eventually will also be a bit bigger. Actually, here's still so much space. I can use that for something. Maybe the clean room later. Okay, but first of all, now I should have enough of the Copernican wires. So I can make one more. Okay, need to wait a bit. Then this one is now going to be the bolts. Bolts are very important. Then I can already do the iron bolts. Did I connect? I think I connected these here. Extrude the bolt. That's on the other side, this one here. Actually, to save up some of the gauges, I put already. Can I? No, I will just take this one off. And move over the material. Wait, this one can be gone. Make this one here. Which one is it now? Of course. This one can go here, but become another resource. And then they can go next to each other over here. No other way around. Steel bolt. Make them from steel ingots. I think it's 8 in the extruder. $16. Wait, let me check. Yeah. How long is this actually? Yeah, that's super fast. I don't know why this recipe is so slow. I mean, this doesn't use any electricity, while this one... Okay. Next step. Extruder motor rings. So for making the... No, it was not the transistors. It was something I needed rings. Right. Rubber rings, for example. But can I make these with rubber sheets in the extruder? No. I need to make it with rubber pulp. So I need to put the... Can't I put the rubber sheet into the... What? Oh, I searched wrong. I should be part grinding, yeah. Okay, good. So I will set up grinding the rubber sheets to rubber pulp. Make 8 to that. And keeping 8 is enough. Don't need that many rings. So rings should go over here. And also, before I forget, the bronze pipes, I think for the pump, for the MV pump. Ah no, that is bronze rotors and bronze screws. Okay, I need to set up these two as well. So I need to put the bronze ingot here anyway. Set up rotors and the ring for the rubber. is a rubber ring. And is it 1-to-1? Or even, okay. So that is the ring. Make 8 rings. Oh no, that's gonna be a problem now. It's trying to deliver the package to that address, but this address does not exist right now. Let me for you. I have to quickly build that. Extruder ring. Is that... What the... Let's see what's happening over here. Everything is fine. This one is almost full. So what's their problem? Oh no. It's supposed to be going in here. Oh, did I just break some... Because I just broke a connection, these cannot go down from there? Really? But they could go there and then down there, so why are they having problems? Or should I... Can I add one more here? Also not. I should actually check the configs if I can increase the limit. I hope they are just being stuck because I broke a chain while these were on the way. Because it's coming down from there. No, it's coming from here. Going down here. And it can go down here. But I broke this one. So it was maybe trying to go here. I broke it. And cannot recalculate the route to go maybe to there or something. Oh, no, there's another one already. Okay, that's a major problem. How... Okay. So I need it, so let me break this one here. Reconnect these two, just to fix that problem for now. No, because I connected this one as well now. Okay. So, how are these going to connect to the lower level? Like, maybe then from here for now? But it is going to take forever reaching machines over here. So I have to basically orientate everything from here to there and from here to there. So this one is the main connection. And the return should always go on this one here to go down here. Yeah, maybe that is okay-ish. Okay. Let's see, can I make the last extractor now? For the rings? Huh? I thought I... Huh. Oh, I made it already. Okay, that's the one for the bolts, for the rings. Then I need to set up more... right, I didn't need this one here, but I just leave it. But I need this one from the bronze ingots. Make rotor and make 4 of these. And also now, since I can make the bolts, right, I need to make the bronze bolts to make the screws. Going to be 8. Make 8 of these. That's now... Did I make the tin ones as well? No. Because I also need tin screws. So you have bronze bolts, tin bolts, tin bolts. From the tin ingots. It's taking so long that the rotors. Okay, 15 seconds. Still fine. Okay, and then make the 2 different screws. It's the lathe. Ah, here is already tin screw. Okay. Then I just need to make the bronze one as well. In the lathe. And make 8. Good. That is that. Now, next step. Let's check the MV extruders are done. So, alright, before I get started on this one, I need to make the mixer setup to be prepared for stainless steel and the vanadium steel, otherwise I can't even make the cutter. Right, this one, these resources I can just put in my main system. When I have the real ore factory setup here, or processing setup with the multi-block version of the ore washer and the other machines. I will have a large storage like this one instead of these drawers where I will dump all the dusts. Okay, so that is not required anymore. I have the lens already. But here's the purified emerald. And the rubies Also here. So now the diamond. Actually, I have probably more. Okay, just let that run through. And let's build the mixers. So I want to have 3. We got the bronze rotors made. So that should be easy. Okay, just run out of aluminium. This is already making new one. But why so? Okay, we just used up the sheets only. So let's get started here. I said this one should be the return, so I will put the barrel maybe here. No, barrel here, packager there. Connected over here. The mixers then. I want to have 1, 2, 3 mixers. Have the item output here. Power supply should be... What is happening here? Yeah, there was not too much for him to handle. That is super annoying. But it actually processed almost... Oh no, actually here's... what's the one for the glass? This one, right? Okay. Sometimes I just need to check these then. But of course, if there would be no 3 assemblers in parallel, this problem wouldn't even have happened, because they would have been split up so much. That's why I'm also building already 3 mixers. Alright. I was the power supply here. Was just checking if there was some on this conveyor. Okay, again stuck. But that should be... No. Now they're gonna put this liquid glass, and the next one is... Okay, no. Maybe it's gonna fix itself. Okay, mixer go there. Then item pipe. Extract from the mixers, put it there. But here on this one here, like that. We have some that stuff connected like that. Then I need 2 tunnels. No, not this way. Round robin and round robin. Then right, I made a mistake. Because here has to be a repackager. Okay, one sec, need to remove all. Because the repackager has to unpack, not repackager, the packager has to unpack the incoming repackaged package into the mixer. So, and actually this has to be on this level here. So then this power supply doesn't make any sense because I can just put it on this floor. Power supply can go underneath here. Oh, and these pipes are not able to extract items from this side. And packager. They also need to be set to circuit 1. And then put the conveyors down. And I need more andesite funnels. Again, same mistake. Okay, round robin, round robin. Then, so this setup again is a barrel with a repackager. I can put that repackager over there. No. This one has to be connected to the barrel. There it goes here, repackager, and the chute. This one here will be needing barrel, packager, two frog ports and packager and a sign. So that here goes the barrel. It goes here. And going back to the system, it should be this lane. Main return. Okay, that is that. Then I need to yeah. Connect a packager for this one. And that is now the new mixer. As soon as I have everything hooked up here. I won't be naming this right now because otherwise maybe some stuff is already going to arrive before it's even running. Let's put some power over here. How would I... Maybe I put this one looks kinda bad, but it's okay. Oh no, that's fine. And then this has to connect to some power supply underneath here. Ah, okay. So I'm gonna build one here. And then from here go to over here. Okay. It's fine. Then I need a motor. Doesn't have to be the... It doesn't have to be a strong one, just... Oh no. Let's get the gearbox. Can I put this one here? I don't think so. No, it doesn't turn on. Okay. Yeah, no, this one is going the wrong direction. So, but I cannot put a gearbox here and then another one here. So I will have to connect the motor here. And no. Actually, I just put a second motor there. Like how much? This is not using... Oh, this is using a bit of energy, okay. No, then I have to find the solution for that. I'm gonna put that... No, that doesn't make any difference. So this one is too close. I shouldn't have built that too close. And I built something over here. No, this would just block the way. I want to expand this way maybe, so I'm gonna build with 2 motors. So this one has to go the other way. Why it does not activate. It's wrong. Why? Come on. I put it here. Put the power here. Then connect it. Now it's working. And I put another motor here. Ah, okay. So now it's connected maybe. That's better. Let's do like that. Wait, how much energy is it's using now? 26, and this one, okay, so the rotation speed doesn't matter, it's using 26. Good. That means the only thing left is the grid power. The grid tech power. Okay. This can go directly underneath here. Connect machines. Ah. Then this one. Alright. All of them have energy. Then this one can be now called mixer. Ah. First I have to delete this one, I think, otherwise it's bugging out. Delete this. No, that was the alloys matter. Oh, yeah. Where is it? Ah, there. One. Which one is the mixer? This one. This one will be renamed to that. Because maybe I need another circuit. And it can be done with LV, so then I can reuse this mixer. This one C1. Now, let's check if that's working if I just take out the copper nickel dust. Let's see if I forgot anything. And the stuff should be arriving from there. Ah. Okay, so goes to this one. Then it should go to this mill mixer. And this one should end up here. Oh no. Since there was nothing here anymore. Ah, no, right. This one was also like, now this one again. Okay, so this one will receive the most. While this one will receive the least. Oh, I forgot to put the items. Okay, going back down seems a problem. What if I connect you to here? Why not? Why is it so difficult for them to go back down? If I connect this one to there, where is it going? Yeah, it's going back to the main system. If I connect it to this side, should be going down there. Why it's not going down? I don't get it. Okay. Last idea. I'm going to take this one. Can I? Damn it. Okay, until... So what if I... before, I think it was possible... Okay, now I cannot connect more connections. So let's say I'm gonna remove this one. And I'm going down here. And I think once I had these packages on this line, they were successfully going back to the main storage. Yeah, okay. This is so weird, but sure then. Connect there. This has... I don't know what I did wrong here, but this... Maybe it's a bug. But anyway, now... What I can activate now is this one. This was making 9, I think. Yeah. Let's see if it's working. Probably coming up from here, yeah. Okay, now was this and back. Okay, good. It's working. Which means the EBF should make the vanadium steel pretty soon. Okay. What weird bug. But now I can also, once the... Okay, first clean up. Mixer. So next thing is the EBF for the wafers. And this one is stuck again because I forgot to clean it up. Okay, I need to actually already put many in parallel here. System is not yet perfect. Let's just let me try to get all of these, because they don't matter, they can just be all together. It's going to make so many vacuum tubes. I think the trick with this system is just to build immediately like 3-4 assemblers. And I will use a motor for, no, I will not use a motor for each, but I will now make this one here. I will not make that one. I will make this one. And speed up this, especially the mechanical arm. That is a bit too slow. But the only weirdest problem is just this conveyor, I don't know. Chain conveyor. The assembler problem was now just that I didn't build enough. How's the power doing? That's completely fine. Okay, that is rotating. 64, that means let's get this up to 128. Okay. No, we are actually able to do 2000, so we can run 4 of these. Then maximum speed. Is there anything left? Okay, so at least there is nothing left now. Probably made like 200 vacuum tubes. Ah, no, not that much. Okay, what is it struggling with right now? Okay. These just take a bit of time then. But at least everything is running here. And I can continue with the next process.